Hi, this is Earl at Hoosier Custom Cruiser. We have a trade in here I want to show you today. This is a 2016 Phoenix Cruiser. I'll do a quick walk around on this. So it's a 2016 Phoenix Cruiser. This is the full body paint, white and gray. It's kind of a light gray color. So here we are, 2016 Phoenix Cruiser. Mileage in around 37,000, I believe. I'll take a picture of that and show it to you. This is full body paint, mostly white with some light gray striping. A couple different colors of gray here. Really nice condition. This coach has been well cared for. They've installed a smart plug on the outside. The tires are Michelin tires. Plenty of life left in those. Outside shower and macerator system here for the discharge of the gray water and black water. This has the spare tire with a built-in kit here on the back. Storage in here. The ladder comes down, of course, and hooks down to the bottom down here. So it goes up like this so you have access to that storage compartment. Full length awning, that's a power awning. More storage here. The paint and everything on this coach is really nice condition. You wouldn't believe that it's a 2016 model. There's the outside. Now walking inside, we have the wood floors. It's a wood laminate. This has hickory cabinets, Corian countertop. There are no odors or anything in this coach. The sofa makes out into a bed. This also has a Euro chair here. And then the driver and passenger seats. Now, the passenger seat is in nice condition. The driver's seat, this is the only bad place I see on this coach. The seat is peeling here. The rest of it seems to be very nice. TV in the front, storage on both sides. Some of the overhead storage. Nice amount of space there. More here. And on the other side. This is what it looks like with the slide room in. You can still get through and use everything. You can't make the sofa out into a bed, obviously, but other than that, everything's quite usable. Customer left their paper towel holder. You have microwave oven, convection oven above. Storage down below. Storage drawers. Twin beds. This is the model 2552. Shirt closets and overhead storage. Water tank and furnace and converter and inverter and everything are under here. On this side, this is all storage. So this bed will lift up like that. And loads of storage here. Subwoofer back here in the back. More shirt closets here. They got a wire basket here for put your phone or a book or something like that, I suppose. Hanging space here in the shirt closet. And overhead storage up here. All the windows have day-night shades. So there's your day shade to keep the sun out. And then for privacy, you can bring down the night shade. These are slow rise shades, so you can just let them go back up, like so. Bathroom door is a solid door. It's a sliding door. Very nice. Overhead we have a fantastic vent fan. The bathroom's quite roomy. Nice big wardrobe on the left-hand side here. There's the table. It's a freestanding table. Corian countertops in the bathroom. Nice roomy shower. And storage here for towels and such. And of course, just a standard vent here. So here we are with the room out. You can see much more space. Much more spacious. Refrigerator on this side with the pantry here. So the pantry comes out like this. On this side we have the controls for the monitor system. Here, slide control, generator. The generator has 28 hours on it, and that's the inverter. So this is the macerator system on this Phoenix Cruiser. You have a gray tank and black tank, and the flush system is here. The termination out here, out the this hose. So it's a macerator pump, so it will macerate and pump the sewage and the gray water.